Have you been looking to purchase a condo so you can live a no maintenance lifestyle? If that's the case, I've got a wonderful property to show you today. Standing here today in the north end of Paris, central location to Cambridge, Brantford, Woodstock, and as well close to the beautiful downtown Paris. This wonderful property has a ton of desirable features throughout this home. Will include all the appliances, features 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, as well as a beautiful balcony. Backing onto green space, this is definitely a property you're gonna wanna see.